Flashlight has many uses. It can also be used in a self-defense role. Particularly, let's talk about home self-defense. Let's talk about issues with using light in a dark environment. First of all, consider this. If you're at home and you have an intruder in the home, you already know the layout of your house. You don't need to turn the lights on. Make the adversary, make the intruder negotiate the obstacles in the house. Let him feel his way around. But two, when you do decide you're going to go out and investigate, bring the flashlight with you. Now, you don't want to turn the flashlight on except when you actually need it. And the best way to do that is keep it in your hand. And as you move along, if you have to, flick it on and off to illuminate your way, but do not leave it on the entire time. Otherwise, it becomes a beacon and it's easier to follow you. So it's on and off. Now, if you happen to stumble upon an intruder, all right, you're both probably going to be shocked, but what you can do is kind of gain the tactical advantage right away by orienting the light at the intruder's eyes and turning it on and leaving it on. What's going to happen is people talk about, oh, you're going to shock somebody when you do that. Yeah, you kind of actually do shock somebody, but what's really happening is you're bleaching out the rhodopsin. Basically, it's called visual purple that's in the eyes. It's needed in order to turn light into a picture, so to speak. So when you bleach out the rhodopsin eyes, it takes a few seconds for that visual purple, that rhodopsin, to reproduce and restore your vision. So in the military, if we were to go do an operation, usually 30 minutes before we went an operation in limited light conditions, we would turn all the lights off except for red lights. Why? So that we can make sure that we have basically restored all our visual purple and we have optimal visual capability at night. So it takes, ideally, sometimes it takes a few seconds for it to start restoring itself, but sometimes it takes up to 30 minutes before it's completely restored. So again, the walk-away lesson point here, teaching point here is use it to illuminate your path if you have to, but on and off intermittently. And then when you do come up to a threat, face a threat, one thing you can do right away to gain the tactical advantage is aim the light in their eyes, okay, and then do whatever it is you plan on doing next, whether it's presenting a weapon or running away or whatever you want to do. You can use it not only in a defense role, but you can also use it in a survival role. It can be used to illuminate your way through wherever you are in the forest, or it can be used primarily for signaling. It becomes a signaling device. And this particular flashlight has a pretty bright capability and can be seen from quite some distance, especially from the air. So again, it becomes a signaling device and not only a tool for finding your way.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.